In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view your old chats in Grok. Okay, now when you're in Grok and you can go on the left side, then below there is these arrows. Okay, let me first remove this pencil, though it's stubborn. But just below your profile pic on the left side, there's those arrows. Okay, forward two arrows. You can click on them. Then you realize they can load all the history of your chats. Okay. Then when you click the arrows, the two arrows pointing back, it can go back. So most people struggle to find where they can view the old charts because actually these arrows are kind of small and you may not really see them. Okay. They're just below your profile pic or your profile, whatever. Just below that is those two forward slashes. That's why you click and it will load your chats history. Okay, see you in the next video and bye bye.